Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bangkok. We are really excited to host you here for our annual user group meeting. And I think this year you'll see around the room that it even looks and feels a little bit different. And this is because we're really going to show with you and share with you the transformation of our portfolio, where we're headed, and where together in partnership we can really work together in providing full solutions for everything that you possibly need.
But for me to talk about our journey makes no sense if I don't put in the context of your journey. Because at the end of the day, we are just an enabler of your success. We are an enabler of your mission.
Foremost is that we get a lot of knowledge about the new technology which are getting created and developed, which will eventually benefit us.
Now we are having discussions around the projects, around the products, and we are meeting you guys to develop a product which can actually help us and address our concerns and our business cases and use cases.
And the good thing is, you know the features that are going to come in the next versions, and you can actually plan what needs to be implemented in your area.
The last two sessions were very helpful, especially the one on fuel management. We are already doing some kind of rudimentary fuel management, looking at the UI messages and the flight planning system. But I like what they showed about the quick access recorder.
Hearing the updates of the progress, how these projects are moving forward, really excites us. Like, we wanted to have this in our operations to have it optimized and be able to improve how we do things.
The journey doesn't stop here. Obviously, we're looking forward to working with you throughout the next 12 months until we meet back here in Bangkok again at the next user group meeting. I think one of the most exciting things coming out of an event like this is all of the feedback that you give us, all of the ideas, all of the areas that we can continue to work and to collaborate on. The partnership continues, and thank you very much for coming and spending time with us.